Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, Kitix, and yeah, sorry for not uploading. I was just very busy, but now I'm back, and today we're going to be taking a look at how you can make your a chatbot, simple chatbot. So let's create the file here. We'll just name this test.py. Let's open this up with Visual Studio Code. Let's just do that real quickly. And there we go. Okay, so first of all, the thing that we first need to do is we need to import. I'm just kidding, we don't need to import anything for this. So let me explain how this works, and I'll explain everything. But first of all, this is how it will work. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do is we'll create a dictionary. So the dictionary will be named test, and we'll just do something like this. We'll say hello, and it will say hi. We'll do that, and we'll say how are you, and then it's gonna say I am fine, thank you. And you can do this just like repeatedly, whatever. So now we need to ask the user for an input. So to do that, we'll just do qs is equals to input, and we'll just put in human, or no, actually we'll do something like human, and yeah, then we need to print out stuff. So let's just do print, and we'll print out test, but it'll find the thing from QS. Okay, and let's actually just do this up here. Task are allowed to learn run debugging, enable all extensions, and I'll trust it with this. Okay, that everything is okay. Okay, now if you run this, it should work just fine. So ask me a question. Oh, so it works like that now. Have they made like an update or something? Whatever. I don't think it'll work if I do it like this. So like if I type hello, okay. So the reason why it's not working is simply that when it prints out the statement, it just prints it out fast, and it prints out very fast the statement. So we need to just make we need to import the time module. So you do need to import a module, but don't worry, you do not need to pip install this module. It is all automatically installed. So if I run this neck again, this should work. Yeah, as you can see, it did say hi, and if I say it will not work if I do anything else. It'll wait for 10 seconds and I'll stop probably. Yeah, so that's great, but what if you wanted to do this continuously? So to do that, we do not need the time module for that, so we'll just erase that time module there. We don't need that. And what we'll actually do is we'll do while true, which it is true. It's going to ask a question, so we'll just do human, and then we'll just put a space there, and then it'll print out test, but it'll find the answer from QS. Okay, let's actually, what is happening? Let's just, oh no, okay, there we go. We'll change this to double T, that will work. So now if we run this again, that will be hello, hi, and they'll type again. So you can type, so for example, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. So this if I type something like, if I type hello, what type like this, it's not gonna work because there's an error. So it needs to be the full thing. So yeah, that is a very simple bot made with Python. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.